This is a video of a warp knitting machine in action. Yarns from the beams are formed into loops, and the loops engage with one another to form the warp knit fabric. Notice how the loops of yarn are slanted to the left in one course or row, and slanted to the right in the subsequent course. The path of the blue yarn is in a vertical direction along the fabric length. The warp beams are precisely formed during a process called warping. Warping takes yarns from individual packages and places those yarns on a beam as shown in this video. Proper tension and alignment of the yarns is critical in forming a good quality beam. From the beams, the yarns pass through small eyelets and elements called guide bars. The movement of guide bars as they wrap the yarns around needles in the needle bar is seen in slow motion. The needle bar is ready to move downward, forming the yarns into knitted loops.